Stop scrolling. Tonight, the sky is speaking directly to you, offering a celestial map for the month ahead. In the next 15 minutes, we will unlock your personal guide for March 2026, a powerful journey of eclipse release, equinox ignition, and Jupiter's cosmic green lights for growth. Missing this guidance could feel like pushing against a strong cosmic headwind, wondering why progress feels stalled. So stay with me for a potent eclipse ritual and 3 specific actions timed to real astrological dates to harness these energies. Beloved soul, upon this ever-turning earth, as night envelops us, on March 1st, 2026, the cosmos opens a profound bridge from release to rebirth. This month is a sacred portal, a rare opportunity to consciously transition from where you've been to where you are destined to go. We begin with the Sun in compassionate Pisces at around 11 degrees. This placement bathes us in profound waves of empathy, intuition, and surrender. It's an invitation to dissolve old pains and forgive lingering resentments, creating the perfect inner landscape for deep, soul-level healing. Yet March beckons dynamic growth. The Spring Equinox on March 20th marks a pivotal cosmic shift as the Sun moves into Aries' fiery domain. This is the astrological new year, a moment that ignites fresh starts, courageous initiative, and the bold expansion your spirit has been craving. This month is your sacred portal, a chance to alchemize the lessons of the past into fuel for the future. By healing lingering shadows under the Piscean sun, you prepare the soil for the Aries seeds of authentic growth. It's time to integrate your wisdom and step bravely into your uncharted potential. Stop scrolling for just a moment. Tonight, the sky has a message specifically for you. In the next few minutes, we're going to unlock your personal map for March, a month defined by a powerful eclipse release, the fiery ignition of the equinox, and Jupiter's cosmic green lights signaling growth. If you miss this celestial guidance, you might find yourself pushing against an invisible cosmic headwind all month long. So, stay with us, because we're going to walk through a potent eclipse ritual and 3 specific actions you can take, all timed to real astrological dates to maximize their impact. To begin, picture yourself as a river flowing toward the great ocean. This is the energy of Mercury retrograde in Pisces, which continues its journey inward until March 20th. This period is a sacred invitation to dive deep into your subconscious waters, to revisit the dreams you've set aside, acknowledge unspoken truths that linger in your heart, and unearth the creative insights that have been waiting just below the surface. It's a time not for pushing forward, but for profound listening. This is your opportunity to heal through gentle, intentional reflection. Open your journal and allow buried emotions to flow onto the page without judgment. This act of witnessing your own story is a powerful form of release. Consider past missteps not as failures, but as lessons, and extend forgiveness to yourself and others. If words feel inadequate, express these complex feelings through art, music, or the quiet stillness of meditation. Amplifying this healing energy, Venus graces Pisces until March 6th, wrapping your heart in a blanket of unconditional love. This transit enhances self-compassion, making it easier to soften your inner critic and nurture tender connections, both with yourself and with others. Use this gentle window to practice radical self-love, nurturing your heart for the deeper connections that await. Then, on March 2nd, Mars, the planet of action, enters the intuitive realm of Pisces. This shifts our drive from assertive force to intuitive grace. Your actions become infused with a deeper sense of purpose and flow. Channel this potent, soul-aligned energy into practices that support your emotional and spiritual growth. This could be gentle movement that connects you to your body, creating healing rituals that honor your journey, or dedicating time to inspired creativity that feels like a true expression of your soul. As we journey deeper into the month, its very heart begins to beat with the rhythm of a profound celestial event. On March 3rd, we are graced with a total lunar eclipse and the full worm moon, culminating at approximately 12 to 13 degrees of Virgo. This isn't just any full moon, it's a blood moon, a moment of intense energetic release and revelation. Think of it as the cosmos turning a spotlight onto a specific area of your life, one that has been quietly waiting in the wings for its moment of truth. This is a time for culmination, for seeing the results of seeds planted long ago, and for understanding what must be cleared away to make room for what's next. The energy is potent, palpable, and deeply personal. This powerful blood moon creates a dramatic opposition, standing directly across the sky from the sun in the mystical, boundless waters of Pisces. This celestial alignment illuminates the axis of service and surrender. On one end, we have the practical, detail-oriented, and analytical energy of Virgo, the celestial healer and organizer. Virgo asks us, how can we improve? What are the tangible steps? Where can we refine our systems for better health and efficiency? On the other end, we have the dreamy, compassionate, and spiritually connected energy of Pisces, which encourages us to dissolve boundaries, trust in the universe, and surrender to a flow greater than ourselves. This opposition isn't a battle. It's a sacred invitation to find the balance between doing and being, between earthly duties and spiritual faith. It's about grounding our dreams in the soil of daily practice. Under the light of this Virgo lunar eclipse, we are offered a moment of profound release. This is your cosmic permission slip to let go. It's a chance to heal the deep-seated patterns of perfectionism that tell you you're never good enough. It's an opportunity to quiet the voice of over-criticism, both toward yourself and others. It's time to release the persistent self-doubt that sabotages your progress in your daily routines, your health and wellness journeys, or your work habits. Ask yourself, where have I been holding myself to an impossible standard? Where has the pursuit of perfection led to paralysis? This eclipse provides the emotional and spiritual leverage to finally unburden yourself from these heavy, unproductive patterns. To truly harness this energy, you must consciously let go of what drains your peace. This could be the relentless pressure of overwork, the need for rigid control over every outcome, or the silent, unspoken resentments that fester in your relationships. By releasing this psychic clutter, you create a vacuum. And into this newly cleared space, something beautiful can rush in. The potential for grounded, sustainable, and truly nourishing growth. This isn't about chaotic change, it's about cultivating a life that feels both productive and peaceful, organized and organic. It's about building systems that support your well-being, not deplete it. But to understand the full story of this release, we have to look back. Coming up, we'll connect the dots to the Aquarius eclipse seeds you might have forgotten you planted. This Virgo lunar eclipse doesn't exist in isolation. It is working intimately, as part of a cosmic dance, with the recent annular solar eclipse in Aquarius that occurred on February 17th. That eclipse fell at the very end of Aquarius, around 28 to 29 degrees, a critical point in the zodiac that signifies mastery and the culmination of a theme. A solar eclipse is like a cosmic new moon, a moment when the universe plants a potent seed of intention. It's a fresh start, a reboot, and this particular one was all about the future. That Aquarian solar eclipse planted powerful seeds of radical innovation, humanitarian vision, and collective awakening. It was a universal nudge, urging us to detach from outdated social structures, rigid beliefs, and personal limitations that no longer serve our evolution. It called for us to embrace true freedom, to find our tribe, and to connect with communities that share our vision for a better world. For many, it sparked sudden, lightning bolt shifts toward greater authenticity, prompting us to ask, what future am I building? Who am I when I am completely, unapologetically myself? It was a call to revolutionize our long-term goals and our role within the greater human family, It's crucial to remember that eclipses almost always come in pairs, forming a two-part story. The solar eclipse, which is always a new moon, plants the seeds and sets the intentions. It opens a new chapter. Then, about 2 weeks later, the lunar eclipse, which is always a full moon, brings that story to a point of illumination and release. It reveals what has grown from those seeds and asks us to clear away anything that is hindering their full bloom. So, February's Aquarius eclipse initiated a profound reset in how you connect to the greater whole, your future dreams, and your unique place in the collective. It was the spark of a brilliant, futuristic idea. Now, March's Virgo lunar eclipse arrives to bring meaningful closure to that eclipse portal. Its purpose is to take those visionary, high-minded Aquarian seeds and ground them into your practical, day-to-day reality. Virgo energy is the ultimate project manager. It takes the grand vision and asks, okay, but what's the plan for Monday morning? This eclipse helps you create the systems, routines, and healthy habits necessary to make your futuristic dreams a tangible reality. It does this by stripping away the illusions, the inefficiencies, and the self-sabotaging behaviors that block your progress. It's the moment of truth, where you see clearly what is actually working and what is just wishful thinking. Together, these two eclipses form a powerful karmic arc, a story of integration and healing. The journey began with the collective, future-focused, and sometimes detached or rebellious energy sparked in February by the Aquarius eclipse. Now it finds its resolution in the personal, present moment and detail-oriented work of the Virgo eclipse. The healing happens when you release personal perfectionism, the need for absolute control, and the anxiety that comes from an ungrounded vision. By integrating these two powerful energies, you clear the path for true, sustainable expansion. You learn how to move from the innovative sparks of genius to the embodied, service-oriented growth that makes a real difference, first in your own life and then in the world. This is how you build the future, one mindful, practical step at a time. Jupiter stations direct in Cancer on March 10th, expanding emotional security. Grow by deepening roots, healing family dynamics, or building nurturing spaces that foster confidence and abundance. Venus enters Aries on March 6th, conjunct Neptune around March 7, igniting passionate, idealistic love and values. Embrace relationships and pursuits that honor your evolving self. On March 20th, the Sun enters Aries at the Spring Equinox, aligning with Mercury turning direct. Clarity surges, empowering bold initiatives. Saturn-Neptune's conjunction in Aries continues blending dreams with discipline. Manifest visions through structured steps, like new wellness habits, creative projects, or spiritual commitments. Tonight, March 1st, gaze at the lingering planetary parade. Venus and Mercury low in the west after sunset, Saturn nearby, Neptune subtle, Jupiter bright higher up, Uranus farther east. This alignment reminds us, personal healing ripples into collective growth, and your expansion illuminates the path for all. Mercury retrograde's Piscean fog persists. Delay big decisions, contracts, or tech until after March 20th. Use it for inner clarity instead. The Virgo lunar eclipse on March 3rd may bring intense emotional revelations, health insights, or work-related culminations. Ground to avoid overwhelm or burnout. Echoing February's Aquarius eclipse, watch for unresolved detachment themes resurfacing. Don't escape into perfectionism. Integrate both energies mindfully. Mars in Pisces risks passivity or escapism. Direct energy consciously. Venus-Neptune conjunction heightens romantic idealism. Protect boundaries from illusions. March weaves Pisces healing waters with Aries bold fire, amplified by these eclipse echoes. Release what no longer serves, embrace what awakens, and rise transformed. The stars guide you, resilient, evolving, infinite. Step outside tonight, feel the cosmos embrace, And know, your healing fuels your growth, bridging past awakenings to future horizons.